Good evening, guys. As you can see, it's in the evening. We want to do a normal routine. We want to do the cleaning. As you can see, I've removed the drinkers from this lot. As you can see, they are somewhere outside. I'm going to wash them. Over there, you can see the bucket outside, the red bucket. So I've removed all of them, as you can see. Let's go and check on the feeds. Let us check on the feeds. Well, the feeds still okay. So remember guys, today is the 17th for this lot. As you can see, they are looking nice, quite big, doing fine. So being in the evening, our only activity right now is to wash the drinkers, then return them back with the clean, fresh, drinkable water. No more vitamin, because right now they are comfortable, so we don't need to introduce any vitamin. So right now we just need to give them clean water, drinkable water. Things I can see they still enough things to last them until tomorrow morning, or maybe in the evening or afternoon. But guys, tomorrow in the morning we'll do another addition of feeds, because this one will just last them up to tomorrow. But overall, you can see they are nice, they are looking okay. You can see our litter dry. The litter is dry, clean, no smell, no ammonia. So this is how your litter should look like. As you can see, it's dry. So with this kind of litter, you don't expect to have any disease around. We are trying to avoid the coccidiosis. You can check. Litter here is dry. So we are trying to avoid that coccidiosis so much. That's why we are using these stones, these cabros. So right now we can, whenever we give them water, putting on top of this, they cannot step on it. They can't get dirty. As you can see, the water is still clean. It's clean, not dirty. Our container is clean. So day 16, 17, they are looking nice, they are fine. So just hang around, let me go and wash the containers. Then we continue. So guys, let's continue. Wash them. Now it's clean. Just need to return them back. And then guys, if you notice something, apart from having our foot bath at the main entrance, we also have different footwear for each room. This room has got its own footwear, and the other room, so that we don't bring business from the other side to this side. That's why we are doing 2 footwear for each. At least each section should be independent. So maybe we are wondering why I'm not using apron. I made some order sometimes back, but it seems they should be here. But we prefer working this way. So this is how you operate in here. Just have to be very careful. so that we don't introduce any stress in our birds. So that's it. We are done with this section. Now we are going to the other section so that you can also manage them. But as you can see there, see how beautiful they look. So beautiful. So guys, like, share, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please guys subscribe, like our page, drop a comment. So that's how day 17 is gone. Now we wait for tomorrow, day 18. So these are the footwear I was talking about. Let me show you. They're somewhere around. You can see the footwear. Each section has its own. The other side and this side. Even the one we'll be using for brooder is a different footwear, so that we don't transmit diseases from one place to another. So guys, let's go the other side and do the same thing. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.